Howdy. Welcome to Beaver Mountain Works. This channel is about our family business, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. As we make custom leather goods for you. You dream it, we make it. High quality, practical, dependable products that you need. Not things that you go into the store and you have to buy what they make you, but things that you dream up that you need to have manufactured. You come give us a shout. We'll produce those things, so when you're out there in the bush or you're out there in some situation in your life and you've got that product, it just doesn't fall apart because of shoddy workmanship. So remember, you dream it, we make it. Beaver Mountain Works. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all take care. Just for everyone out there in the YouTube world, we're a Canadian-run business in British Columbia.